Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this, we are going to solve the sixth exercise, which is a very interesting exercise for a lot of the students out there, from chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. So this chapter is basically based on your NCERT mathematics textbook of class 6th. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please press the bell icon as indicated by the arrow on your screen and get the regular updates. Let us start with the first question from 5.6. In order to understand this exercise in detail, first we should be aware about the types of triangles. Because this exercise is based on the two categories we have, one is on the basis of biside and the second category is based on angles. So if I talk about equilateral sides has all the sides equal. Yes. Second category here we have is isosceles triangle, which has only two equal sides. Coming to the third one is scalene. Scalene मतलब कोई भी side equal नहीं है. I repeat all the three types. If I distinguish a triangle on the basis of side, is an equilateral triangle which has three equal sides. Yes, which has three equal sides. Coming to isosceles triangle, it has two equal sides. The third category, where none of the sides are equal, it is called scalene triangle. If I distinguish on the basis of angle, yes, so I would like to tell, if I say an acute angle, so acute angle has all the three angles which are less than 90 degree. That means all the angles in the triangle are less than 90 degree. Coming to the second one is right triangle. So any one angle is equal to 90 degree. Yes, any one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle means any one angle is greater than 90 degree. It can be 120, 91, 92, 100, 110, any. So please, I want all of you to make this table in your notebook and mark this as very important concept from your examination point of view. We can give you questions to identify whether this is an equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or a scalene triangle. Also, we can give you on the basis of angle as acute angle triangle, right angle and obtuse angle. Yes? बढ़े आगे? I hope everybody has drawn. First, all of you please complete this in your notebooks and then I am going to move forward. Okay. Now, exercise 5.6. Name the types of the following triangles. So here you are supposed to identify the triangle either on the basis of angles or the sides, whichever is observable to all of you. So first is triangle with the length 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Since all the three sides are not equal, so this triangle is scalene triangle. Please write the spellings correctly. Scalene triangle. The B part triangle ABC with AB is equal to 8.7 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeters and BC is equal to 6 centimeters. Again, all the sides are not equal, so it is a scalene triangle. C part triangle PQR. अब आप देखो PQR में तीनों sides equal हैं, so it is an equilateral triangle. Coming to the D part, measure M मतलब होता है measure, angle D तो ये हो गया right angled triangle. Next, E part triangle XYZ with measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree, XY is equal to YZ. So this is a very special as well as a very important. This is called as isosceles right angled triangle. Why? Because इन्होंने यहाँ पे दोनों categories हमें mention करके दी हैं. F part LMN with measure of angle सारे less than 90, so this is an acute angled triangle. Is it clear? Coming to question number 2, match the following. I'm asked to match all the parts. So three sides of equal length is called as an equilateral triangle. ये important है and everybody has to learn these because these are basically the definitions. Yes. So two sides of equal length, it is an isosceles. All sides are of different length, scalene. Coming to the next three parts, I'm just changing the ink color. Three acute angles, it is an acute angled. One right angle is a right angled. Obtuse, one obtuse angle is obtuse angle, and this one is isosceles right angled triangle. Clear है? Yes, is it clear to all of you? Okay. Coming to the next one, third question. So the third question says, name each of the following triangles in two different ways. You may judge the nature of the angle by observation. तो क्लास हम यहाँ पे दो तरीके से हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. Yes. So let me do the A part on the basis of angle and on the basis of sides. एंगल के बेसिस पे तो मुझे कुछ एक्यूट एंगल जैसा लग रहा है ये. Yes. एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल लग रहा है और साइड के बेसिस पे मुझे आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल लग रहा है. कमिंग टू द बी पार्ट, एंगल के बेसिस पे तो मुझे राइट एंगल्ड ट्राइंगल लग रहा है ये, और साइड्स के बेसिस पे ये मुझे लग रहा है स्केली. यस. कमिंग टू द C1, एंगल के बेसिस पे as an obtuse triangle and on the basis of sides I am finding it to be isosceles क्योंकि दो sides equal है. क्लियर है? बढ़े आगे की तरफ. Okay. D part, if I concentrate on the basis of angle, so it is a right triangle, and if I basis on the side, it is a isosceles triangle. Yes. Coming to the E part, on the basis of angle, I am finding it to be acute angle triangle, and on the basis of side, I am finding it to be equilateral. Yes, because all the sides are equal. Coming to the F part, एंगल के बेसिस पे है obtuse angle triangle, and on the basis of side it is coming out to be scalene triangle. Yes, I hope all of you have written these answers in your notebooks. Yes, it's going to be very short video because it has only 4 questions and we are on the third one. Almost, rather, we have finished the third one. Coming to the next fourth question. This question is not very useful from your examination point of view. Okay. Okay. So can you make a triangle with 3 matchsticks? Yes, we can definitely make a triangle. Coming to 4, no, we cannot make. Coming to 5, yes, we can definitely make. And coming for the 6, we can, yes, we can definitely make. So this question has nothing to do with your conceptual. It has to be done in the activity based question. Yes. So remember, you have to use all the available matrix in each case. Name the type of triangles in each case. तो अगर हम बात करें जिसमें हमने yes लिखा है, हम उसी का बता सकते हैं. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमारा बनेगा इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. यस, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. अगर हम सी पार्ट की बात करें तो हमें मिलेगा यहाँ पे आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. और अगर हम डी पार्ट की बात करें तो अगेन हमें यहाँ पे मिलेगा equilateral triangle. Yes, so here we come to the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your love and support. Keep watching, and you can now join us on Facebook as Learn Easy Online on Instagram page. Quickly go and follow. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Thank you.